Hello friends, this is Ankita Jeeps, Hyderabad. So we have opened our Hyderabad garage and service center long back. It's approx 1 year. So we have our own workshop at Haryana Mandi Dabwali, and here also we have done started the workshop where we do all the minor modification and minor customization on all types of Jeep segment vehicles, and we do all types of services, anything you need. So like this, you can see here, this is in Thar CRD 4x4. It has come for some customization because it has an hard top which has a water leakage. So just they told us to remove that hard top and put an soft top like which comes with the showroom vehicle. So after that, this is in Thar. It's for sale. This one has come for servicing. This one is also for servicing, and this one is also for service. It's an vintage Morgan model which we have customized on gypsy chassis. After that, this is the vehicle. It has come for service, and you can see American Kaiser. Its service is being done. After that, you can see there are two more vehicles. That black color Jeep, Dabwali modified Jeep, that one has also come for service. And this White Beast, it's also readily available for sale. So any one of you who's interested in sales or services, you can contact us. We are located at Vanasthalipuram in Hyderabad. You will get the location on our Google Maps. You can search out Ankita Jeeps, and you can see my WhatsApp number. So if anybody is coming, just inform us before coming. Just send a WhatsApp. We will provide you all the details and location address as well if you don't find that. So if any brother is interested, do visit our Ankita Jeeps workshop. This is our workshop, and we have an outlet on the main road of Vanasthalipuram. This is our own godown which we are standing, and where we have put our workshop. So if anyone interested, please do visit. And any work like power steering, power brake, power clutch which has to be installed, if you have don't have a power steering, that all those customization, small minor mechanical, each and every work will be done over here, and small modification works will also be done. And if you need a complete modification, that also we can do by taking the vehicle to our workshop which is located at Dabwali. For that, you have to visit along with your vehicle so that we can provide you all types of details. So signing off, thank you, bye bye, do visit.